Need to merge PDF files on Windows 11? You are in the right place. Here are the easiest and most effective ways to do it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Several online tools and apps can merge PDFs on Windows, but avoid uploading sensitive documents to online services. Instead, use installed applications for security. Here are 3 free and easy to use tools for merging PDFs. Let's get started. 1. Merge PDFs using PDFgear. The first tool we are introducing is PDFgear. It's a free and open source tool that lets you easily merge PDF files online. Here is how you can use the tool. Search for PDFgear in your browser and visit the official website. Click the Merge PDF button to open the online merging tool. Upload the PDF files you want to merge. Click Add Files to upload additional PDFs if needed. Click Merge, then download the merged PDF file. You can also download the PDFgear app and install it from the official website. Then open the app and go to the Merge and Split tab. Click Merge PDF and upload your PDF files. Arrange the order or delete unwanted files. To delete a file, just click on the trash icon next to the file. Click Merge to combine the PDFs. Open or edit the merged PDF with PDFgear. To do that, head to the file location, then right-click on it. Then select Open With, then select PDFgear. 2. Merge PDF using I Love PDF. I Love PDF is another free and easy to use tool to merge PDF. Here is how you can use it. Visit the official website and click on the Merger PDF option. Now click on the Select the PDF files. You can also drag and drop the files. Next, click on the Merge PDF option and the files should be merged. Select a location to save the files and yes, it's that easy. You can easily get access to the files moving on to the location where you have saved them. You can also download I Love PDF for your Windows from Microsoft Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once you have installed the app, upload the files. Then select the Merge PDF option from the right side window. Your PDFs should be merged. I Love PDF is also available on Google Play and App Store, so you can easily merge your documents from your smartphones using the tool. 3. Use PDF24 Creator to merge PDF. Another great tool for merging PDFs is PDF24 Creator, which is free and easy to use. It is available both online and as a downloadable app like the previous tools. Here is how you can use it. Visit the official website for PDF24 Creator, click on the Merge PDF option, then click on Choose Files and browse to the PDF file location and upload the files. You can also drag and drop the files on the specific fields. Once done, click on the Merger Files option and the files will be merged. You can now download the merged PDF files and save them to a desired location. You can also download the PDF24 Creator app. To do that, click on the download icon from the top of the official website. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Now launch the app and open the PDF24 toolbox. Click on the Merge PDF option. Upload the files and follow the same process to merge PDF. And that's it. That was how to merge PDF files on Windows 11. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below to share which method helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.